Good day, ma'am. My name is Martin Ace L. Taniki Cruz from BS Crim 3G. I just want to share my learnings about our subject CDI 7, which is cybercrime. First, I've learned about crimes can be committed through computer and the internet and making them harder to detect and investigate. Second, it emphasized the importance of digital evidence such as online data and footprints in solving cybercrimes. I also understood the role of laws like Republic Act 1017-5, which is addressing and preventing cyber offenses such as illegal access or hacking, online fraud, and identity theft. The importance of this law is to protect the individuals, businesses, and government system from cyber-related crimes. Overall, the subject highlighted the need for technical skills and responsibility for fighting the modern crimes. Thank you, ma'am.